with this economic outlook turning gloomier due to this COVID-related issues and nationwide lockdown, the overall business environment will be looking quite depressed in the next 2 to 3 quarters. In our view, the demand for housing will be much lower because people will be thinking twice before buying a new house. There will be some hand changes between the existing house owners to another house owners. That will be happening. But new development, the real estate sector as such is going to be very, very slow in coming time. After the lockdown is open, we would be looking at that, what kind of prices hold for the real estate segment. That will also be a key thing to be observed. NBFCs and HFCs, in my view, will now be focusing more on managing the risk efficiently rather than chasing the growth. So a very careful observation, very careful assessment of the customer profile and trust lending will be the core issues in the coming 1 or 2 quarters. So in my view, we won't be seeing that kind of the growth which we have seen in the last 4 or 5 years in housing segment, especially the 20-30% kind of AUM growth is to some extent will be a thing of past. So if we can manage to maintain our AUM, manage the portfolio well with the good portfolio quality will be the key thing in coming time.
Correct, sir. So I think, sir, just to take this particular point forward, which you mentioned regarding the housing price, another point which I would like you to touch base is on the affordable housing segment, sir, which is what we suppose is certainly badly hit because of most of the self-employed income owners of that space, and their income streams nowadays are getting impacted on a daily basis. So how do you think that the mid-size affordable housing NBFCs are currently placing themselves? Any word of advice for them?
Yeah, see, in my view, in affordable housing segment also, it has been divided into two very distinct categories like salaried and self-employed. I agree with you that the self-employed segment is definitely going to get hit badly because of these COVID-related issues. Their cash flows will be choked, their business is being impacted during the lockdown period. And even if the lockdown opens, there will be a lot of complete changes in the way we are now operating, we are doing our business at the moment. So those things is going to determine how the things will pan out in future. And salaried also, there will be job cuts, there will be loss of jobs in many segments. So even that also will not be completely untouched with this COVID related issue. So overall impact is yet to be seen. But as of now, we are in touch with all our customers. The one good thing in affordable housing segment is that we are continuously in touch with the customers, and since we are holding a good collateral, so the chances of getting doing default by the customers will be much lower, because in India still that psychology is working, that the people would first like to default in their movable assets, and then at the last, when they are completely pushed to the wall, then only they are going to default on the immovable asset. So there will be a lot of changes in the system. So let's see, it's time to come after the lockdown opens. We have to see how it pans out.